I honestly, some people tower off and we're starting.
You got it all going on with your body. You got it all, baby. Your papa, your mama Burundi, my African star, baby. Na umeumbwa ukaumbika, yeah.
Hey guys, this is so random. I am currently almost done with editing. I'm so happy. I didn't sleep well last night because I had to finish this video, guys. So hopefully by now you should have seen it. I hope you love it as much as I did.
Hands up in the air, don't just sit down there tonight. Just get in the mood tonight, just get in the groove. Don't just like say you know say, we didn't answer you know one plan. You just the from back.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh.
That's what I've been doing. Also on my mind, I've been a little bit upset about that lately, so I wanted to talk to you guys about that as well because, I don't know, I tell you guys everything that's going on in my life, but I'm gonna go on a workout, and so I need to stop doing that.
Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, Vivi Cokes. I'm now rapping my intro. It is me, it is I, Vivi Cokes, and welcome back to another vlog. So I'm on my way to fly my drone. As you guys saw earlier, I texted my friend. We actually planned to fly the drone already, but I texted him this afternoon to find out if we're still on for 2 p.m. So yeah, I'm on my way to the car now with a bottle of water. Hi.
Good?
Yeah.
Walk south towards Elisa Gunova Sun.
Guys, so we just got to the set just to look at the view. It's really nice. Hi guys, so I'm ready and I'm on my way to Muni's house. I'm trying to find the best lights. Anyway, I'm on my way to Muni's house. I'll see you guys once I get there. Okay?
I thought I finished it.
17.
Episode 17. I thought I finished it. Apparently, I did not finish anything.
Amna, where's your video?
Lydia, don't do me like this. Don't put me on this. Don't do me like this, girl.
Amna!
Cold water for you.
Cold water.
Ice. Please, I'll bribe you. What's
I'm so hot. I just got to Amna's house and I'm about to eat something light first. And when I eat, I'll have the strength to talk. I'm so tired. I'm weak. This sun in Abuja is not for the faint-hearted. Like, I didn't even step out. I was in the car, but from the car, I could feel the heat. Like, it was terrible.
Oh, this is for you. Watermelon. This is one. So this is red velvet something.
So, we're starting with this today. So, we have fresh watermelon juice and orange. And then we have some leftover cake, which I'm not eating, or just me. Why aren't you eating? Oh, okay.
This one is chocolate. Yeah, I think.
Yeah, that's
chocolate or something.
And vanilla, probably.
I don't know. So I'll just cut each for you.
Yes, boo. Thank you. And water for me too, because this one, I honestly can't deal.
I can tell her. I didn't know what the camera was.
Okay, we're done eating. It's time to work.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
Guys, can you believe I thought I was filming? I feel so stupid. Anyway, still here, still on the matter, and we're filming now. Okay.
This girl has sworn to God that
Yes.
before she leaves this house, I have exported my video.
Please.
She doesn't want to gist with me. She's like, I'm now. Break is over.
No,
Let's
don't
get
worry. We're
back.
going to gist. You come and see me. We'll gist. Today we're working.
Let me
Okay.
respect my teacher.
Yeah. All right.
Let's say it goes up on a Saturday. I'll make sure.
Come on, you have to put this on
Next
Saturday.
week.
If not, I'll fight you.
And I'll come and see you maybe Friday.
Download the YouTube app on your
I have
phone.
it.
Even the YouTube Studio app.
YouTube Studio.
Yeah, YouTube Studio. That's YT Studio. This is what it looks like. What you're going to do is you just go to.
Maybe I say I have it.
Hey, I'm just showing you now.
Okay.
But when you upload, like when you do this, you get.
Look at tips she's giving.
Have I told you about the tags, rapid tags, to get? When you're uploading, you need to put. Let me tell you, you need to put tags to make your videos sing, like to get more views, basically. So there's something called. Let me show you. It's called rapid. But anyway, when you upload a video, call me on FaceTime. I'll show you where to put this tag. But this thing is very, very, very important for your views to kind of push, because you're a newbie, so you need to push your videos to people. So anyway, this thing helps you generate tags. You have to be very tactical. Do you get it? Okay.
It's still connecting.
I know. Just don't have patience for this thing. I'm trying to show so much. It's already 7:30. Are you kidding me? My laptop. Oh my god. I'm about to leave Amna's house and be headed home. And once I get home, I have to edit this vlog. I had an amazing time with my students. Yes, I'm going up.
Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes.
Yeah. What?
To begin or to remain, all the questions of the day, we are just beginning now. There's a smile in your eyes, what will we find? Turn it all around, flip that frown upside down. Let it be like a drum. I'll be good and be young.
Guys, I really don't know why, but it's about to rain. Like, I don't know, every time something just happens. Can you guys hear that? Yeah, that's why this video is not happening. Unfortunately, we had to cancel again. Just as we were about to start filming, it started raining. I came in, closed the door, brought out my softbox, hoping to use that. But then the noise, I don't know if you guys can hear. The rain noise is so loud and there's no way we can film because you would barely hear me. Only God knows when we're going to film it. I really don't know because I'm tired of like doing my makeup over and over again. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. I'll keep you guys posted. So yeah, that is my reality most of the time. I get ready to film and something happens. I'm so upset, like forget this smile. I'm angry because I couldn't get to film today. Anyway, I quickly want to share with you guys some of the things I got today. I got some groceries and some household items as well. I shopped from exclusive stores and H-Medix today. And for exclusive stores, okay, first thing I got is this mix of bell peppers. So you have the green, yellow and red. Next thing I got from exclusive are these hot peppers, cabbage. I can't really show you everything, but I got sweet potatoes, 3 pieces, this sponge, sweet corn, sausages, some spring onions, and the last 2 things I got are these 2 cheese, cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. Now I have some more exciting stuff from H-Medix. Let me show you. So here I got some yogurt. This is what it looks like. It's unsalted butter. Some paper towel for the kitchen, foil paper or foil, some plastic cups. It says 30 bucks, so I picked 10 and that was 300 naira. Household gloves, Purite. Look at this, this is so cute, guys. Crates of eggs, Pond's magic powder. I want to start rubbing powder on my face like Ojuju Calabar before I go to sleep every night. Hypo, because I want to wash the bed sheets. Yeah, must be nice. Transfer filtering, I need you right now. Lint remover, this mousse, tea tree cleansing wipes, Sure body spray, Gillette or Gillette. It's 2020 and Vivi Cooks still doesn't know how to pronounce it. Gillette. It's called Kura Crunch. Next thing I got is this brown sugar, raspberry and blueberry infused tea. It says it helps to reduce tiredness and fatigue. And when I tell you Vivi Cooks is tired, like today before I sleep I'm going to drink this to help me because I can't believe I got ready and did everything. I ended up not filming today. Like, it doesn't make any sense to me.
No one can do it like you.